Okay, guys, we should start now. First of all, let me know, do you have any problem in exercise 2C? Do you have any problem in exercise 2C?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now we will start. Today we are going to start exercise 2B. But before this, let me tell you that many of your you guys has still did not submit the homework. Why is that? Only 2 or 3 students among you people have submitted the homework till then. So when all of you will submit,
Sir, कौन सा homework?
beta, I have submitted homework from exercise 1A, 1B, 2A and 2B in Google Classroom, and I hope that you will get it.
Yes, sir.
I have written done on the.
So, beta, when will you give it to me? कब दोगे वो सवाल solve करके? I have to check, I have to keep marking, I have to keep records. So when will you give it to me? Suhaib Saqib, Abdullah Tajammul, Abdullah Ali, all of you guys are in Google Classroom or not? First of all, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you must see ke janab, what is going on there. If anyone has
सर मैंने
any,
सैयद मोहम्मद शेवली के नाम से सबमिट करवा दिया.
I don't know any सैयद मोहम्मद शोएब अली. मैं नहीं जानता क्योंकि मेरी लिस्ट में सैयद मोहम्मद शोएब अली के नाम से कोई बंदा नहीं. I have SM Abdullah Ali in my class. I have SM Abdullah Ali in my list. I can mark attendance. अब I am confused कि यार who is शोएब अली. So that is the thing.
सर वो मेरे अब्बू की आईडी है. सर मेरे अब्बू की आईडी है वो.
Then you must mention कि sir I have submitted my homework with this name. So this is the problem here. Suhaib Saqib. Suhaib Saqib.
जी सर.
Beta, when will you do your homework?
सर मैं आपको आज या कल तक सबमिट करा दूंगा सारा.
Beta, you have said it many times. This thing. You said I will do it by today or tomorrow. By today or tomorrow. Now today is your last day, or else I have to call your parents by tomorrow.
ओके सर.
So you need to submit by today so I can check. ठीक है? Abdullah Tajammul, unmute your mic, beta. Abdullah Tajammul, unmute your mic. Abdullah Tajammul, unmute your mic. Fasi. Fasi.
जी सर.
Beta, when will you submit your homework?
सर कल तो नेट भी नहीं चल रहा था. रात को लाइट चली जाती है तो वो नेट भी चले जाता है.
तो कभी तो आती होगी लाइट.
सर उस टाइम मैं पढ़ता हूँ अपने सबक.
क्या पढ़ते हो उस टाइम?
इसलिए.
हेलो.
हेलो.
सर शाम के टाइम.
हेलो.
तो बेटा you
अस्सलाम
have.
वालेकुम सर.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. एक मिनट Abdullah, I will talk to you later. Right now I'm talking to Fasi. Fasi, you must know how to manage your time. These excuses are somehow acceptable, but on a major scale they are not acceptable. Like
Sir,
every day you talk to me. Beta, wait for a while. I'm talking to Fasi right now. When I'm talking to someone else, you should stay quiet. I was calling your name many times and you did not respond. So now I have to talk to someone else now. So you should wait now. So Fasi, you must keep manage your time as per the school, as per your subject importance. Because ठीक है लाइट नहीं आ रही, इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा, ठीक है, somehow we can admit or accept these kind of excuses. But on a larger scale, after 1 month, every day you are facing this kind of problem. It means you have to manage your time. कुछ इस तरीके से काम करना है कि जिस टाइम पर लाइट आ रही हो. एंड इफ you just need to take pictures of your work. You need to complete your homework in your copy.
सर मैं सेंड कर रहा हूँ लेकिन सेंड नहीं हो रही है.
बेटा यही तो बता रहा हूँ. You just need to complete your work in your copy, and then whenever there is live, you just need to take pictures of your work and send it to me. Simple. I believe that 24 घंटे तो नहीं हो सकती ना पावर ब्रेक डाउन। 6 घंटे होगी, 5 घंटे होगी, 10 घंटे होगी, still you have 14 hours to complete the task. So I think these excuses are lame, and I believe that you are going to submit your work by tomorrow. ठीक है?
ओके सर।
अब्दुल्ला तजम्मुल, अब बोलिए बेटा।
सर पेज नंबर
बेटा पेज नंबर बाद में, पहले आप ये बताइए when will you submit your homework? When will you submit your homework, Abdullah Tajammul?
सर
हाँ बोलिए।
और सर
When will you submit your homework, Abdullah Tajammul? Abdullah, say something, beta. I'm talking to you.
जी
When will
जी
you
यस
submit your homework? When will you submit your homework means तुम अपना homework कब submit करवाओगे?
जी यस वो दोपहर को करूँगा।
और मुझे कब मिलेगा? Beta, among 5 classes which I'm conducting right now, which I'm teaching right now, you are the only class who is not doing his homework. I think you don't know who am I, because rest of the classes knows me ke sir who is Sir Tahar Rahman. So please, it's my humble request to complete your task by today. It's almost 1 month and you are not doing your work. Even you are not doing your work up to the mark. So I believe that it will not happen again, and from today I will receiving your homework. Okay? Exercise 4B, the last exercise of chapter number 4, and in this exercise we need to expand each of the following expressions.
सर पेज नंबर
Page number है बेटा, wait for a while.
हाँ जी
Page number है 97. Okay? In this exercise, as we have discussed earlier, that whenever we multiply any negative sign to a positive value, the positive value will be converted into negative one. As we have discussed also earlier, that whenever we multiply a negative value, a negative sign to a negative value, then the whole answer will be positive. So now we are going to discuss in a broader spectrum. Okay, now we are going to multiply a negative sign to the whole bracket and what would happen to that particular bracket. So first of all, you need to keep something in your mind, which is points to remember. So I am starting now.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर
Question number 1, exercise 4B, page number 97. Okay guys, this is your question number 1. But before this question number 1, you must have something in your mind, and that is points to remember, which we always discussed. Points to remember number 1. Whenever you multiply a negative sign to the whole bracket, to the values written inside the bracket, then every sign inside the bracket will be changed. That is, negative will be converted into positive and vice versa. It means if we have a negative sign, if we are multiplying a negative sign to a whole bracket, so whenever the sign is written inside the bracket will be converted into opposite one. Like if we have positive sign, the positive sign will be converted into negative one, and if we have the negative sign inside the bracket, the sign would be positive. So keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you are trying to multiply a negative sign to the values that is written inside the brackets, then every sign inside the bracket will be changed. If it is positive, it will be converted into negative. If it is negative, it will be converted into positive. So we can write it like this. Like we have question number 1, part A. In part A, we have a solution that is we have a value that is minus into x plus 5. Now you can see that this minus sign is trying to multiply to this whole bracket, and we have two elements or two numbers written inside the bracket. So tell me what happened to this bracket. Tell me. बोलिए बेटा.
Sir, not don't know.
Beta, right now we are trying to multiply this negative sign to the whole bracket. Okay? And we have two numbers inside the bracket, that is x plus 5. What are the signs of this x and f5? What are the signs of this x and 5? Abdullah
Plus.
Tazammu. Plus. And as we have discussed earlier in points, remember, whenever we multiply a negative sign to the bracket, then every value inside the bracket will change its sign. So this plus x would be converted into what? Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi.
Minus.
Minus x. And this positive 5 would be converted into? This plus 5 would be converted into?
Plus.
Like, we are trying to multiply a negative sign to a positive number. What happened?
Plus.
Whenever we multiply a negative value to a positive sign, what happened? Whenever we multiply a negative sign to a positive value, what happened? Jaldi. Whenever we multiply a negative value to a positive sign, what happened? Right, we are going to multiply minus. We are
I
going to.
forgot.
हाँ कुछ कहा बेटा? Beta, we have minus and we need to multiply this minus to the positive 5, and we have discussed yesterday that whenever we multiply a negative sign to a positive value, then the positive value will be converted into negative 1, so it would be minus x minus 5. जी अब्दुल्ला अली बोलिए बेटा. अब्दुल्ला अली बोलो.
सर वो थोड़ा समझ नहीं आया, थोड़ा पीछे वाला जो आप -5 लाइन है, दोबारा कर दे जरा.
बेटा सीन ये है, देखो, बेसिकली वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस नेगेटिव साइन टू द होल ब्रैकेट. हमने इस नेगेटिव साइन को पूरे ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ठीक है. एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर दैट व्हेनेवर वी मल्टीप्लाई अ नेगेटिव साइन टू अ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, द पॉजिटिव वैल्यू विल चेंज इट्स साइन टू नेगेटिव. जब हम नेगेटिव साइन को पॉजिटिव वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करवाते हैं तो हमारा जो आंसर हो जाता है वो एक नेगेटिव वैल्यू बन जाती है. तो बेसिकली वी आर ट्राइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई माइनस साइन विद पॉजिटिव एक्स एंड पॉजिटिव 5. सो क्या आंसर होगा? Positive x should be converted into negative x or positive x?
Negative, sir.
So it could be written as minus x. Similarly, now I'm trying to multiply negative sign to positive 5. What happened now?
Minus.
Minus what?
-5.
Minus
Sir,
5
the answer.
become. बोलो बोलो अब्दुल्ला. ठीक है. So the thing is that whenever we multiply a negative sign to the positive values, those positive values will change their signs. Got it?
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ते हैं. Similarly, we have some further points to remember, and we need to discuss them. Whenever you multiply a positive value to the values written inside the brackets, then every sign
नहीं नहीं नहीं
will remain unchanged. It means every sign written inside that bracket is will remain unchanged. It will remain same. It will remain unchanged means if we are trying to multiply a positive value to a negative sign, the answer will remain negative. If we are trying to multiply a positive value to a positive value, the answer will remain positive. So it means whenever you are trying to multiply a positive sign to the whole bracket, then the sign inside the bracket will remain unchanged. Got it? अब स्टार्ट करते हैं ऐसा एक सवाल. Like we have 2 into 3y plus 7. I have another question, that is part C, and part C is telling me that 2 into 3y plus 7. Now we are going to multiply this whole bracket to a positive value, that is 2. So what happened? We are trying to multiply two positive signs. What would be the answer? We are trying to multiply two positive signs. What would be the answer? Hurry up guys, hurry up.
Plus.
Plus, so plus 2 multiplied by plus 3y equals to what?
Minus.
शुरू
Why minus? Why minus? We are basically multiplying positive 2 to positive 3y. Whenever we multiply two positive signs, the answer will remain positive. The answer will remain positive. Whenever you multiply a positive sign to a positive number, the positive answer will remain same. The positive number will remain same as we have discussed earlier. यही प्रॉब्लम है, तुम लोग सुनते नहीं हो गौर से. पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर लिखवाया, बताया कि whenever you multiply a positive value to the values written inside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket will remain unchanged. Did you notice that? No. हेलो, हाय, हेलो, मैं एब्सेंट था, इसके अलावा नहीं है कुछ. Focus. You just need to do focus. Don't try to be a robot. So we have a value, that is 2, written outside the bracket, and this is positive value. And we have to multiply this positive 2 to the positive 3y. So whenever we multiply a positive value to a positive value, what happened?
So minus will come.
Why minus? Why minus? Plus multiply by plus, what happened?
So plus
Positive answer आएगा ना. Whenever you multiply two
जी
positive
सर.
values, the answer will remain positive. Whenever you
Yes sir.
multiply two positive values, the answer will always be positive. So 2 multiplied by 3y equals to, I must have written it like this, 2 multiplied by 3y. Now you are trying to multiply positive 2 by 7. What would be the answer? How can I write it? 2 multiplied by 7. And further when we solve it, 2 multiplied by 3y equals to 6y, and 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14. This is the answer. And you see, as I discussed earlier, as I discussed in points to remember, whenever you multiply a positive value to the values written inside the brackets, then every value will remain changed. Every value will remain unchanged. क्या किसी भी वैल्यू का साइन चेंज हुआ? बेटा हाफिज अब्दुल्ला अली, ये फूंके मारना बंद करो माइक के ऊपर. ठीक है. सो हमने एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू को पूरे ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई किया, और हमने कहा था कि जब भी आप किसी पॉजिटिव वैल्यू को किसी ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उस ब्रैकेट की साइन अनचेंज होती है. अगर पॉजिटिव है तो इट विल रिमेन पॉजिटिव, इफ दे आर नेगेटिव इट विल रिमेन नेगेटिव. सो द थिंग इज दैट ये चीजें याद करने की है ताकि तुम फौरन आंसर लिखो, कैलकुलेटर का सहारा ना लो. So you need to keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you multiply a negative value to a bracket, every sign inside the bracket will be changed. अगर पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव. इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई अ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू टू द होल ब्रैकेट, देन द वैल्यूज इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट विल रिमेन अनचेंज. सो सिंपल इसको इस तरीके से लिख लो.
चीनी खा लेना,
माइनस से
नहीं खा.
मल्टीप्लाई कराओगे ब्रैकेट को, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कराओगे ब्रैकेट को, every sign inside the bracket will change, will be changed. And if you are trying to multiply a positive sign to the bracket, every value inside the bracket, every sign inside the bracket will remain unchanged. Simple. अब ये चीज जहन में बैठ जाए कि जब हम नेगेटिव वैल्यू को ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे, ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले सारे साइन हो जाएंगे चेंज. जब हम पॉजिटिव वैल्यू को मल्टीप्लाई करवाएंगे तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले सारे साइन अनचेंज रहेंगे. सिंपल इज दैट. ये फ्लूक, तुक्के मारना, मोमिनो तुक्के लगाओ, इससे बाहर आओ बेटा. यू नीड टू फोकस. होमवर्क तुम लोग नहीं कर रहे, काम तुम लोग नहीं कर रहे, अटेंडेंस तुम लोगों की कम है, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड जीरो है, सवाल करने को बोले तो तुम्हें आवाज नहीं आती. इज दिस योर एटीट्यूड टू बेटा बहाज? आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट नॉट टू डू इट. Even you know that I know who is doing it. Still, Sir Zahir was right. We must talk to your parents today. ठीक है? We must do it. तो फोकस करो चीजों के ऊपर. ये पॉइंट्स रिमेंबर इसलिए दिए गए ताकि तुम जब सॉल्यूशन कर रहे हो तुम्हें सोचना ना पड़े. जस्ट you have something in your mind and you just need to implement these things on your paper. But you are trying to do some flukes. Sir plus होगा, sir minus होगा. Be confident, my friend. पॉइंट्स रिमेंबर तुम्हारे पास मौजूद हैं, चीजें तुम्हारे साथ शेयर है. इवन वन नोट तुम्हारे साथ मैंने शेयर किया हुआ जिन जिन बच्चों ने मुझे आईडीज दी थी. लेट मी टेल यू, सुहेब के साथ शेयर्ड है, सुबान के साथ शेयर्ड है, रेहान के साथ शेयर्ड है, SQYKMSA ये किसकी आईडी है आई डोंट नो, इसके साथ शेयर्ड है. आप लोग भी अपनी आईडी
मेरी है सर, मेरी है.
अब्दुल्ला जी, आप लोग भी अपनी आईडी शेयर करें, आपके पास भी ये चीजें आ जाएंगी. एटलीस्ट यू मस्ट हैव समथिंग इन योर माइंड, एटलीस्ट यू मस्ट हैव समथिंग इन black and white which you can read and then implement the learnings. But we're not doing it. So whenever we multiply, okay guys, now question and answer session. I'm asking a question to Omar Faisal. Omar Faisal, unmute your mic. Omar Faisal, unmute your mic. Omar Faisal. Yeah, Omar Faisal, when you have unmuted your mic, you must say something so I can know that you can speak. Omar Faisal. Omar Faisal, say something, beta. Say something. Say hello. Omar Faisal. Okay, beta, don't worry. Don't say anything. I am recording every lecture, so I believe that your parents will see that you are not participating in the class, and you know rest of the case what happened to you. Okay, okay, moving ahead. Wahaj. Wahaj, unmute your mic. Ji Wahaj, can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now I'm asking a question. If you give me the answer of this question, I will give you 1 mark in the test. What if I'm going to multiply a negative value to the bracket? What happened to the sign of that bracket? अगर मैं एक नेगेटिव साइन को, नेगेटिव वैल्यू को एक पूरे ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करा रहा हूँ, what happened to that particular bracket? उस ब्रैकेट के साइंस के साथ क्या होगा?
सर मल्टीप्लाई.
मल्टीप्लाई को हम करवा रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू अबाउट द impact of signs. Will they change and will they not?
They will change.
They will change because whenever we multiply a negative value to a bracket, every value
will be
written
changed.
inside will change its sign.
Change.
will be changed. Yes.
ठीक है अब्दुल्ला अली अनम्यूट रखना
Yes, sir. It will be changed.
Abdullah Ali,
Yes,
unmute
sir.
yourself. Now, if I am going to multiply a positive sign to a bracket, what happened to the sign of that particular bracket? To the elements of that particular bracket. If I am going to multiply a positive sign, a positive number to a bracket, what happened to that, to the elements, to the sign of that particular bracket? मैं एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू को ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करवा रहा हूँ ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करवाने के बाद उस ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो साइन मौजूद है उनके ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा
सर वो कह रहा है मैं वो ब्रैकेट से बाहर आ जाएंगे.
वो तो आ जाएंगे ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले साइंस पर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू दिस
सर वो कह रहा है मैं मतलब वो
आप जाए नहीं.
प्लस क्या माइनस हो जाएंगे वो.
definitely I just want to know will they change their sign or will they not I just want to know
तो चेंज हो जाएगा उनका साइन.
why is that as we have discussed earlier that whenever we multiply a positive sign to a positive value the answer will remain positive if we are multiplying a positive sign to a negative value the answer will remain negative
बोल रहा है ऐसे ही चावल छोड़ रहा है.
Abdullah Tajammul Abdullah Ali, whenever we multiply a positive value to a bracket, every sign inside the bracket will remain unchanged. If the sign inside the bracket is negative, it will remain negative. If the sign inside the bracket is positive, then it will remain positive. So keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you multiply a negative value to the bracket, every sign inside the bracket will be changed, and if you are trying to multiply a positive value to a bracket, every sign inside the bracket will remain unchanged. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to solve one more question, and that is part D. And in part D, we are going to multiply. Alright. 8 2y minus 5. Okay guys. जी अजलान इरफान बोलिए बेटा अजलान इरफान say something बेटा Azlan Irfan, you have raised your hand, so bacha, you must say something so I can know what you are trying to say. Okay, guys. हाँ भाई, Abdullah Ali. Right now we are going to multiply a positive value that is positive 8 to the bracket. So what happened to that bracket? What happened? It means first of all we need to multiply 8 by 2y and then we need to multiply 8 by 5. What happened to that? We are basically multiplying a positive value to a positive value. 8 multiplied by 2y. 2y. What would be the answer? Azlan Irfan, you should say something. हाँ बेटा बोलिए.
Positive.
Positive what? Positive the value. I'm asking the value basically. I'm asking for the value now. So positive 8 multiplied by positive 2y. Azlan Irfan, don't do it again.
Answer is positive 10.
No. 8 multiplied by 2. 8 multiplied by 2.
Answer positive 16.
Positive 16y and आगे what happen if you multiply 8 by 5? बेटा 8 times 5, 8 5 za, क्या होता है 8 5 za?
40.
40. What would be the sign? Positive or negative?
Sir, positive.
Why positive? We have
Also
discussed
negative,
it
negative.
here.
Sorry, negative.
Still moving तुक्के लगा रहे हैं. Beta, as I told you that whenever you multiply a positive value to a negative value, the answer will always be negative. Whenever you multiply a positive value to the bracket, every sign inside the bracket will remain unchanged. So what is the sign of 5? What is the sign of 5? What is the sign of 5 inside the bracket? What is the sign of 5 inside the bracket?
Minus.
So it will remain minus. So 8 multiplied by 5 equals to minus 40. Simple. Got it, guys? Now I'm going to take attendance. I am going to take attendance. I will mark attendance of those students only who will say I am present. So starting from first student, wait for a while. This is your 1st September. Okay. Ustad Raza Khan. Ustad Raza Khan is absent. Wahajul Hassan. Wahajul Hassan. कैसी आवाज निकली? इतनी देर से मैं आवाज दे रहा था तो आवाज नहीं निकल रही थी तुम्हारी. Omar Faisal. Omar Faisal was present. Omar Faisal. Okay, beta, tell Omar Faisal that he is present because he is not saying that he is present or not. Ibad Ali absent, and Huzafa bin Nasir absent. Muhammad Hasnan is absent today. Abdullah Tajammul is present. Muhammad Rehan is absent. Abdul Rafi is absent. Muhammad Hamza is absent. Ayan Ali is absent. Sohaib Saqib.
Present, sir.
Fasi.
Present, sir.
Abdul Hadi. Hamza Ahmad is absent. Mikhail Khan is absent. Muhammad Abdullah Khan. Muhammad Abdullah Khan. Abdullah Khan is absent. Ayan Ahmad is absent. Ahmad is absent. Uzaifa is absent. Muhammad Taha absent. Talal Shahid. Talal Shahid was there in class. Yes, Talal Shahid was there in class. Sayyid Abdullah Ali.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Muiz Khan. Subhan Ahmad was there. Usman Ashar was absent.
Present, sir.
Oh, आवाज निकली. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala. I believe you will do your homework. Okay? If you have any difficulty, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. Okay? But don't misuse it. Okay? चलिए बेटा, कल मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह ताला. खुदा हाफिज.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, sir.